Full stack development has a broad spectrum of technologies. I would say start from bare essential skills and then move forward to higher ones. So you can start from basic website development. In that, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then move towards framework, then backend, then DB layer. Then move towards Git command and other things. In learning all these things, go for building projects or gain certifications because that would help a lot. Again, have a sound network in the industry where you will be able to get good guidance from teams and various people in the industry while learning in various aspects of full stack development. And if you have a good manager in the industry who can actually guide you, then that's a huge surplus or a plus point in your journey to become a full stack developer. So it will take quite a lot of months to learn all these skills. Sometimes it even takes years, but it's an engaging learn journey, and you will actually learn a lot of new things each and every day. So start from the basics and gradually move forward to adding one extra card every day into your what I can say pack of deck of cards of full stack development. Certifications for full stack development. What I can say that yes, you can learn full stack development on your own, but where certifications come in is that they provide you a guided approach to learn the flow or the path of full stack development. As I mentioned that we need to start from front end and essentially move to back end, and there are a lot of various sections in full stack development like learning front end technologies, learning back end technologies, learning server side technologies, database layer, then Linux and Git commands, and even system security and product level web security aspects. So a certification would actually help you to learn all these things in a guided manner. And usually certification courses have a instructor based learning. So learning from an instructor actually improves, or I can say drastically increases the pace of your daily learning flow. And if you have a two-way communication with a mentor, that is even better in case of certification. And from that, actually what happens is you will come across with a lot of doubts while learning, right? So having a mentor or a guide who will actually help you solving these doubts will actually help. So go for a certification where you have a access to a mentor or have a contact with a mentor who can help you, or even if they have a community where you can actually post your doubts and get them solved. That is a good thing. And certification courses vary a lot, so depending on your preferences or whichever you find comfortable with, you can go for those kind of certifications. In case of full stack development, there are a lot of options for online certifications or even in-person certifications as well.